I've heard it said once that 80% of the people with tattoos have at least one that they regret getting. That's a lot. That's a lot of unwanted tattoos out there. And the challenge with that in the past is it takes a long time to get rid of it, and it can be very costly to get rid of it. And so consequently, most people just lived with it. And they just lived with the regret. We don't have to do that anymore, and I'm really excited about that. The technology that we used to have, a treatment would take maybe 10 to 12 sessions, sometimes even as many as 15, to get really full clearance. And there were some colors that weren't very successful at removing. The newest technology, which we've brought into Mariposa, is the Cutera laser called Enlighten. Enlighten is very special because not only do we have two different wavelengths to address color and pigment, but we also have two different pulse durations, meaning how long is that energy going to stay in your skin and break up that pigment. By having both the dual wavelength and the dual pulse duration, what happens is we can treat in about half the time instead of 10 to 12 sessions, usually 6 on average to get really good clearance. But we can also then package it in a way that saves the patients a lot of money in the long run. And time is money too, so you combine the two, it's a win-win combination, less time and less expense out of pocket. Nowadays, there are a lot of organizations that you can't get hired into with tattoos that are visible. So we have a lot of people that are wanting to join the military or perhaps the police academy or some of those service organizations, and they have to have those removed to full clearance. Now we can do that for them, and we can do it in a much shorter order so that they can get on with their lives and get on with their careers. So if you have some unwanted tattoos or you know someone who does, please let them know that the technology has gotten better and better, and we can now remove those tattoos more effectively and much more efficiently. So come and see us and let us take a look at that and tell you how soon we can get you started.